Hello guys, welcome to my channel Science Router. We already discussed chapter number 1, crop production and management of class 8, and here is the differences between fertilizers and manures. First point about fertilizer. Fertilizer is man-made inorganic salt. So fertilizers are the chemical substances which are produced in factories with the help of man. Manure are the natural substances which are obtained by the decomposition of the cattle dung and the plant residues. Second point for fertilizer is prepared in the factories, but manure is prepared in the fields. Third point is fertilizers do not provide any humus to the soil. Fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil, but manure provide a lot of humus to the soil. फर्टिलाइजर्स आर वेरी रिच इन प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट, मतलब जो फर्टिलाइज होते हैं वो स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपके प्लांट्स को प्रोवाइड कराएंगे, जस्ट लाइक नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस एंड पोटाशियम. बट मैन्योर आर रिलेटिवली लेस रिच इन प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट्स. दे आर नॉट स्पेसिफिक इन नेचर. ओके, what are the advantages of the manure? The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. So अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन आ जाता है फर्टिल विच इज़ बेस्ट among fertilizer and manure, so manure is better than fertilizer. First point, why? First point, it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It increase the water holding capacity of the soil. Second, it make the soil pores due to the exchange of the gases becomes easy. ये आपकी सोयल को पोर्स बनाती है, उसमें ह्यूमस को ऐड करती है सो दैट गैसेस का एक्सचेंज ईजिली हो सके. Third point, it increase the number of friendly microbes. It increase the number of earthworms or the microbes or the living organisms which is essential for to add the nutrients in soil. It improves the texture of the soil. These are the main points due to which manure is best over fertilizer. Second, irrigation. Now irrigation, all living beings need water to live. Water is very important for proper growth and development. Water is absorbed by the plant roots. Along with water, minerals and the fertilizer are also absorbed. Plants contain nearly 90% water, and water is very essential because germination of the seeds does not take place under the dry conditions. It is very important part in agriculture activity. Irrigation. As we know, all living organisms, including plant, humans, animals, need water for their growth and development. So here we discuss in agriculture, water is very important for the plant, and plant roots absorbed water, and in addition plant root absorb minerals and the fertilizers as we use in the field. Plants contain 90% water, and water is very essential for the germination of the seed or production of the seed. And when there is dry conditions, then no germination of the seeds takes place. Nutrients dissolved in the water are transported to each part of the plant. So the nutrients which dissolved in the water and are transported to each part of the plant. Water also protect the crop from both frost and the hot air currents. Water protects the crop from the frost and the hot air. To maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crops growth, field have to be watered regularly. सो अगर हमें हेल्दी क्रॉप को ग्रो करना है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, फील्ड्स को रेगुलरली और टाइमली उनको वाटर करना पड़ेगा, वाटरिंग उनको करना पड़ेगा. द सप्लाई ऑफ द वाटर टू द क्रॉप्स एट द रेगुलर इंटरवल्स इज कॉल्ड इरीगेशन. सो व्हाट इज इरीगेशन? द सप्लाई ऑफ द वाटर टू क्रॉप्स at regular intervals is called irrigation. The time and the frequency of the irrigation varies from crop to crop. अगर आपको interval check करने हैं वाटरिंग करने के क्रॉप के, तो आप वो अलग अलग क्रॉप पे डिपेंड करते हैं, सोयल टू सोयल डिपेंड करते हैं, सीजन टू सीजन वेरी करते हैं. इन समर द फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ द वाटरिंग इज़ वेरी हायर. वाई? बिकॉज evaporation of the water from the plant leaves takes place. Sources of irrigation. What are the sources by which we irrigate the field? The sources of the water for irrigation are the wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. वेल्स को यूज़ करते हैं, ट्यूबवेल्स को यूज़ करते हैं, पॉन्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं, लेक्स को यूज़ करते हैं, रिवर्स को, डैम्स को एंड कैनल्स को फॉर बेड इरिगेशन. थैंक यू गाइस.